Welcome to this meditation with Peaceful Wren. Today, we're going to take a journey deep into a peaceful forest sanctuary, allowing the healing energy of nature to restore your mind and body. This visualization will help you find calm and reconnect with the natural world, even when you can't step outside. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Let your body feel fully supported. Close your eyes gently and allow your facial muscles to soften. Release any tension around your eyes, jaw, and forehead. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out slowly through your mouth with a gentle sigh. Again, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely, and exhale, letting your whole body sink deeper into relaxation. One more cleansing breath in and out, feeling yourself becoming more present and peaceful with each breath. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The air here is fresh and clean, carrying the rich scent of earth and growing things. Notice how different this air feels as you breathe it in. Cool and pure, filling your lungs with vitality. Before you stretches a gentle path, winding between tall, majestic trees. The trees seem to welcome you, their branches swaying softly in a warm breeze. Sunlight filters down through the leaves above, creating dappled patterns of golden light on the forest floor. Begin to walk slowly down this peaceful path. Feel the soft earth beneath your feet, perhaps covered with a carpet of fallen leaves that rustle gently as you walk. There's no hurry here, no destination you must reach, simply the joy of being present in this sacred space. As you walk deeper into the forest, notice the sounds around you. Perhaps you hear the gentle chirping of birds in the distance, the whisper of wind through the leaves, maybe the soft babbling of a stream somewhere nearby. These sounds of nature seem to slow your heartbeat and calm your mind. The trees around you are ancient and wise, their trunks strong and steady. Some are oak trees with broad protective canopies. Others might be tall pines reaching toward the sky. Feel their quiet presence surrounding you with stability and peace. You notice a particularly inviting tree just ahead, its trunk wide and welcoming. This tree seems to call to you, offering a place to rest. Walk over to this magnificent tree and place your hand on its bark. Feel the rough texture, the warmth from the sun, the life force pulsing gently within. Settle down comfortably with your back against the tree trunk. Feel how solid and supportive it is, as if this tree has been waiting here just for you. Let your body relax completely into this natural embrace. From here, you can see the forest stretching out in all directions. Shafts of sunlight create a natural cathedral around you, and you feel held and protected by this living sanctuary. The tree at your back seems to share its ancient wisdom and strength with you. Notice how your breathing has naturally slowed and deepened in this peaceful place. Each breath brings in the pure forest air, and each exhale releases any stress or worry you've been carrying. Let the forest breathe with you in its own slow, eternal rhythm. As you rest here, you might notice small forest creatures going about their gentle activities. Perhaps a squirrel scampering up a nearby tree, or a butterfly dancing from flower to flower in a patch of sunlight. Everything here moves with natural grace and purpose. Feel yourself becoming part of this peaceful ecosystem. Your breath matches the forest's rhythm. Your heartbeat aligns with the eternal pulse of nature. You are exactly where you belong in this moment. Let the healing energy of this place wash over you like gentle waves. This energy flows from the earth beneath you, up through the tree at your back, and fills your entire being with calm and renewal. Know that this forest sanctuary exists within you always. Whenever you need peace, you can return here in your mind. This tree will be waiting. This path will be open. This sanctuary will welcome you home. Rest here for a few more moments, absorbing all the peace and healing this sacred place offers. Take a deep breath of the forest air and another, feeling completely restored and refreshed. Now, it's time to gently return, carrying this peace with you. Thank the tree for its support. Thank the forest for its healing gift. Slowly stand and begin to walk back along the path toward where you began. With each step, you're bringing the calm energy of the forest back with you. Notice that the peace remains in your body, in your breathing, in your heart. As you reach the edge of the forest, take one more deep breath of this pure air. And know that you can return here anytime you need sanctuary. Now, gently bring your attention back to your physical body. Feel yourself supported by the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes slowly. Take a deep breath. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. You are refreshed, peaceful, and carrying the healing energy of nature within you.